how to add clickable link on Facebook story. So in order for this to work out, you will need to use Instagram. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to your Instagram, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait it out and just normally just go ahead to your story right here at the top left and just go ahead and post whatever story that you want. Let's say for example, I'm gonna just start looking for a photo, let's say like this one. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a link, right? So in order to add a link on my Instagram story, I'm gonna just click on the sticker right here at the top, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on the link right here and just paste the link that you want to copy from whatever website that you want and hit done at the top. Okay, as you can see right here, I added the link. Right now, if I wanted to post it, I'm gonna just move on to post it right here to my story. I'm gonna just wait it out until it's uploaded. Okay, and as you can see right here, after I posted it, you're gonna see Facebook right here. Click on it, and here it says share your Instagram stories to Facebook automatically, and just click not now because it's gonna apply on all of your stories. And I'm gonna just share this story to Facebook story. Okay, I'm gonna just wait it. Okay, and as you can see right here, if you saw like Facebook highlighted, that means that the settings were applied. So I'm gonna just go back to my screen to confirm. Go ahead to your Facebook and just refresh, and as you can see right here, if I click this story, this link will be available. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.